So, John, I just took a phone call from a potential new client who's under investigation by law enforcement. And he's been under investigation for a few months now for, get this, a DUI while riding a bicycle. And he expressed to me on the phone that he's concerned that it's taking so long. He's concerned that nobody's taking this case serious. And TDS says there's nothing that they can do for him while he's under investigation. They have to wait for an adverse action before they can assist him. What would you recommend to this client?
First thing I'd recommend is retain the law office of Helixon. Let us do our job. Let us get in there early on this investigation and work for you. Let us form a personal relationship with you. Let us be there for you 24/7, and let us conduct our own investigation at a most crucial time, early on in the investigation when it's the most delicate. We can speak to witnesses, we can go out and conduct our own investigations, and we can start to shape and mold the environment for you in such a way that we're going to get more positive action as opposed to being reactionary.
Right. So in TDS or any detailed military counsel, they typically won't see a client unless they're facing this adverse action. We, on the other hand, can be very proactive from the get-go. And we can help shape that investigation, whether we're working with MPs or whether we're working with CID. We can cooperate to some degree with that investigation to try to steer it in a positive direction.
Right. You and I have dealt with so many various investigations through the course of our careers that we know all the different agencies to reach out to, whether it be CID, MPI, SHARP, EO, FAP even sometimes. We know how to navigate all these various agencies to the benefit of the client.
Yeah, one of the things that's unique about our practice is if you hire us for an investigation, we'll charge you a fee for representing you during that investigation. But what we do later is that we apply the full amount of that fee to any subsequent attorney fees that are necessary. For instance, if we represent you during an investigation, we'll charge you a certain amount of money. And then if you were to get a GOMAR, that attorney's fee would be more than the investigation, but we would apply the money that you spent on the investigation to that fee for the GOMAR, and you wouldn't have as much to pay.
That's correct, and we're better suited then at that point to address the adverse action that comes afterward because we already know the battlefield and the environment in which it took place.
Right, and we've already created relationships with CID, with MPs, and with the command, because one of the first things we do is notify the command that they're now represented by counsel and that any future engagement on this particular issue need to be coordinated through us.
In addition, we can help guide you as to how you should conduct yourself throughout the course of the investigation, and that is very crucial. Many times those who are going solo without the help of TDS because they're reactionary and without the help of civilian counsel, you may make mistakes that you're not even aware that you're making.
Right, and so hiring a law office, specifically the law office of Helixon, is hiring peace of mind. It gives you something to turn to when there's an issue with your command or the investigation, or even your direct supervisor. You can call us up or send us an email, send us a text, and we'll be able to respond.
We've got top cover for you.
Right. We are the law office of Helixon. We are your warrior advocates. You defend the nation, we defend you.